This is Iron Strengthens Iron, the space for men who are done drifting and ready to do the work. The name is not ours. It comes from Scripture. As iron sharpens iron, so one man sharpens another. Proverbs 27, verse 17. 3,000 years later, it still holds. This is a faith episode. Here we bring the word plainly, with no performance and no shame. We pair stoic discipline with the conviction that a man is not only what he does, but who he answers to. Discipline carries you far. Grace carries you the rest of the way. Take your seat at the table. The iron is hot. Let's get to work. Today we approach the meridian of the year. We stand at the solstice. The sun has climbed as high as it will climb. The light is at its fullest. And here is what is easy to miss. The very day the light peaks is the day it begins to turn back toward the dark. The top of the arc and the start of the descent arrive together. There is a wisdom in that, the word has known for a long time. To everything there is a season, a time to plant and a time to reap. The faithful man does not fear the turning of the seasons. He trusts the one who set them turning. So we did not choose this day by accident. We chose it for the turn. Today, Iron Strengthens Iron relaunches. For a while, this brotherhood has lived scattered. A page here, a resource there, the work spread thin across too many rooms. Men still came, men still changed. But you cannot build a house of fellowship on scattered ground, and you cannot easily call a brother home to a place with no front door. Scripture says, a house divided against itself cannot stand. We took that seriously. So we stopped building rooms and started building a house. One home, one door, one brotherhood, standing on one foundation. 3 things changed. I will give them to you plainly, the way one working man hands a tool to another. First, a unified entrance, one clean way in, one threshold where a man arrives and knows where he stands. No wandering, no guessing. The door is right in front of him, and it is open. Second, 2 paths inside that door. This is the heart of it. Some men come to this work through stoicism, the discipline of the inner life, the practice of mastering what they can govern and releasing what they cannot. That path is real, it is honored here, and your brothers who walk it are your brothers still. And some men come through faith. For the first time there is a door built for us too, a path where the word is spoken plainly, where Christ is named without apology and without shame, where a man can bring his whole belief and not check it at the gate, not an afterthought. A path walked in earnest, tended by a brother who shares the road. 2 paths, 1 house. The name over the door comes from Scripture itself. As iron sharpens iron, so one man sharpens another. Proverbs 27, verse 17. That verse does not ask what a man believes before it goes to work on him. Neither do we. Faith is welcome here. It has always been welcome. It is simply never the price of entry. Third, an integrated community. A real fellowship. Dedicated spaces and a living feed where brothers gather on the stoic path and the faith path alike. Not strangers shouting past each other. A place to be known, to be held accountable, and to be carried when your own strength runs short. Because no man was meant to walk it alone, and grace was never meant to be received in isolation. Here is what this changes for you. You no longer have to gather the brotherhood out of pieces. It is built. It is standing. And the door is open. The alive code still runs underneath all of it. Awareness, liberation, integrity, vitality, endurance. Discipline carries a man far. Grace carries him the rest of the way. Now there is one house where both can do their work in you, and brothers standing in it beside you. And the brotherhood mirrors the house. 2 voices, the stoic voice and the faith voice. Same table, same labor, sharpening the same blade from 2 sides. So here is your move. Walk through the door. Go to the brotherhood home and choose your path. Stoic or faith, you come home to the same brotherhood. Join the brotherhood. Step into the community. Claim your space, and let the men there know your name. Subscribe on YouTube and across our channels so the work finds you every week, and explore the resources we have built for the road ahead. They are ready for you. The year stands at its meridian, full light and the turning already beginning. You can let that turn happen to you, or you can hand it to the one who holds the seasons and ask him to make something of it. Choose. Then walk through the door. And bring a brother with you, because no man sharpens alone. That is the work for today. Do not just close this and move on. Take one thing you heard and live it before the next sunrise. Faith without practice is only an opinion. We are after the kind that shows up in your hands and your habits. When you are ready to go further, join the Brotherhood, subscribe on YouTube and across our channels, and explore the resources we have built for the road ahead. Bring a brother with you. No man strengthens alone. Until next time, stand firm, stay faithful, and remember, as iron strengthens iron, one man strengthens another.